Se encendieran.
Se encendieran.
The world is full of mysteries waiting to be solved.
Oh my god! Did you see that?
From strange species discovered in suburban backyards to long-held secrets from faraway places such as the Philippines. These insights elicit both intrigue and disbelief, reminding us that reality can be stranger than fiction. Join us on a trip as we peel back the layers of these fascinating stories and explore the remarkable aspects of our planet. Number 20. Hanging coffins. Graveyards and cemeteries, where the deceased are traditionally buried underground, are prevalent worldwide. However, the Igorot tribe in the Philippines practices a unique burial ritual that has persisted for nearly 2,000 years. Instead of burying their dead in the ground, the Igorots engage in a ceremonial process where the elderly carve their own coffins during their final years. Upon their passing, their bodies are placed inside these meticulously crafted coffins, which are then suspended in caverns or positioned precariously on cliffsides. These hanging coffins, some of which are over a century old, serve as a testament to the long-standing tradition and cultural heritage of the Igorot people. The ritual is deeply rooted in their spiritual beliefs, which emphasize the elevation of the deceased to higher grounds. The Igorots believe that by placing the coffins in elevated locations, such as caves or cliff edges, the spirits of the departed can ascend to a higher state in the afterlife. This elevated position is believed to bring them closer to their ancestral spirits, facilitating a smoother transition into the next life. The practice not only reflects the Igorots' reverence for their ancestors, but also underscores their profound connection to nature and the spiritual realm. It stands as a poignant reminder of the diversity of burial customs across cultures, each with its own symbolic meaning and spiritual significance. For the Igorot people, the hanging coffins represent not just a final resting place, but a sacred journey towards spiritual fulfillment and ancestral communion that transcends generations. Number 19. Real Goblin Encounter. Imagine encountering a goblin, not in a movie or a book, but in real life. A Chinese tourist had such an experience while visiting a lake in Huairu, Beijing. This seemingly fantastical encounter occurred while he was camping in the woods with friends. One night, needing to use the bathroom, the man ventured far from the campsite. Suddenly, he came upon a hairless, flesh-colored creature squatting on a rock. It had big ears that drooped down, striking a resemblance to Gollum from The Lord of the Rings. Despite his shock, the man managed to take pictures of this mysterious creature with his mobile phone before it moved away. He shared these blurry images on social media, recounting his strange encounter. The photos quickly went viral, sparking widespread curiosity and debate. Among the many reactions, one commentator claimed to be the person in the photographs. He explained that he was filming a mini sci-fi movie with a friend and had been wearing prosthetics and a leafy loincloth. During a break, while he was relieving himself, someone unexpectedly took his picture. Despite this explanation, many remain unsure whether the creature was truly a goblin or simply an actor caught in an unusual moment. Number 18. Tattooed Fish. In a fascinating incident in the Philippines, a fisherman named Zosimo Tano caught a blue marlin with peculiar markings all over its body. This unexpected catch quickly became an internet sensation, sparking a flurry of wild speculations and theories. As images of the tattooed fish circulated online, many supernatural enthusiasts and conspiracy theorists weighed in on the origins of the bizarre designs etched into the fish's skin. Some suggested that aliens might be using the fish to send a cryptic message to humanity, while others proposed a variety of fantastical explanations. Despite the widespread curiosity and the plethora of imaginative theories, the true source of the marlin's tattoos remained a mystery for some time. The intrigue surrounding the fish grew, with people from around the world eager to uncover the truth behind its strange appearance. In the midst of this fervor, Zosimo Tano, the fisherman who netted the marlin, came forward to shed light on the mystery. Tano explained that the unusual markings on the blue marlin were not the result of extraterrestrial intervention or any supernatural phenomenon. Instead, the explanation was far more mundane. After catching the fish, Tano wrapped it in his printed t-shirt to transport it. The shirt bore the image of a coat of arms and leaf patterns, which, when pressed against the marlin's wet skin, transferred onto the fish in reverse. This simple act created the illusion of a tattooed fish. Number 17. Mysterious entity walks streets. In December 2018, a perplexing video surfaced from Nezahualcóyotl, a municipality in Mexico's state of Mexico, depicting a bizarre entity roaming the streets. The footage captured a creature with a metallic sheen, seemingly hovering just above the ground. Its movements appeared humanoid, with distinct steps that suggested walking. The metallic figure cast intricate three-dimensional shadows on the pavement, captivating onlookers with its otherworldly presence. Initially mistaken for an elaborate Christmas decoration fixed to a street post, closer scrutiny revealed the entity's dynamic behavior. It moved, pivoted, and even walked backward. Another surveillance camera recorded the entity as it collapsed and changed shape before vanishing into obscurity. The enigmatic nature of this being sparked intense speculation, with theories ranging from it being a supernatural witch to an extraterrestrial visitor. Despite numerous conjectures, the true identity and origin of the metallic creature remain shrouded in mystery. The incident continues to fascinate and perplex, leaving unanswered questions about its existence and purpose. The phenomenon also underscores the capacity of modern surveillance technology to capture and disseminate inexplicable events, fueling public fascination and debate over the boundaries of reality and the unknown. Until concrete evidence emerges, the metallic entity captured on camera remains a haunting and tantalizing enigma. Number 16. Lake Monster. A shocking image was taken on video in the tranquil waters of Prespa Lake, which is shared by Albania, Greece, and Macedonia. In the Albanian section of the lake, a gigantic creature was observed raising its head and neck above the water's surface before rapidly submerging. This footage sparked a wave of excitement and intrigue among the surrounding communities and beyond. Some viewers immediately compared it to the fabled Loch Ness Monster, a legendary creature supposed to live in Scotland's Loch Ness. The creature's appearance, a long neck and a large head, was strikingly similar to the mythological Nessie, reigniting arguments over the presence of such lake monsters in other parts of the world. This hypothesis caught many people's imaginations, creating a story of mystery and intrigue around the lake. However, not everyone believed that a mythical monster from Scottish tradition had made its way into Albania. More pragmatic people speculated that the monster could be a considerable catfish, which is known to inhabit Prespa Lake. Supporting this notion, geography professor Sema Janos, who had previously toured the lake, stated that sightings of giant catfish were not unusual. Janos, the first man to swim across the lake in 1970, added a scientific viewpoint to the topic, pointing out the presence of these enormous fish in the lake's depths. Number 15. Hairy Monster. In February 2017, a shocking find on a Philippine beach called into question long-held beliefs about monsters being frightening and violent. An enormous hairy creature washed ashore, exciting locals and igniting a global wave of curiosity. Despite its imposing size, daring passersby approached the monster and photographed it, which immediately disseminated on social media platforms. Onlookers were taken aback by the creature's initial appearance, which measured about 20 feet in length and weighed roughly 2,000 kilos. Speculation varied, with some claiming it was a sea cow or dugong due to its unique appearance. However, subsequent scientific investigation proved that it was a rotting whale carcass. The specific species remained unknown due to the advanced degree of decomposition, but it was assumed that the whale had crashed with a ship and drifted for about 2 weeks before washing ashore. After the scientific puzzle was answered, government officials chose to save the whale's bones as a reminder of the incredible and intriguing occurrence. Number 14. Alien walking on road. Picture yourself peacefully driving home at night, only to unexpectedly encounter an alien or ghost walking in the middle of the road. This eerie scenario unfolded for some bikers on the Chadwood Dam Bridge in Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. As they cruised down the dark road, their journey took a surreal turn when they spotted a humanoid figure that appeared alien-like walking along the street. Startled yet intrigued, some of the bikers summoned the courage to halt and capture photographs of the strange entity. The video footage they captured quickly spread across social media, sparking widespread interest and intense debate. In the video, the bikers speculate aloud about the creature's identity, with theories ranging from being an alien to a ghost or even a witch. This speculation fueled a diverse range of opinions among viewers, with some fervently believing in extraterrestrial visitation, others pondering the supernatural, and still others suggesting a possible elaborate hoax. Despite the fervent discussion and analysis, no definitive identification of the creature emerged. The ambiguity surrounding its nature only intensified the public's fascination, cementing the incident on Chadwood Dam Bridge as a chilling and enigmatic encounter. Number 13. Creature crawls under the Ukraine bridge. In August 2016, a bizarre incident unfolded at a pedestrian bridge park in Ukraine, leaving witnesses and viewers bewildered. A man captured video footage of a humanoid creature moving underneath the bridge. The creature exhibited agile, monkey-like movements as it climbed the structure, all while pedestrians and vehicles passed by, seemingly unaware of the unusual spectacle. Upon the video's release to the public, it ignited a flurry of speculation and debate. Some viewers speculated that the creature could be an unidentified animal, possibly indigenous to the area, but previously unseen. Others suggested more mundane explanations, such as a naked individual under the influence of drugs or alcohol engaging in erratic behavior. There were even theories proposing that the footage might have been digitally altered or fabricated using computer-generated imagery. Despite numerous conjectures and analyses, the true nature and authenticity of the creature remain shrouded in mystery. The incident stands as one of the most extensively documented but perplexing encounters in the realm of unexplained phenomena captured on film. Number 12. Electrocuted Alien. In 2013, a startling claim emerged from China when a man named Mr. Li shared photographs of what he asserted was an alien found in his possession. According to his account, he stumbled upon the creature near the Yellow River after witnessing an unidentified flying object crash nearby. The alien, described as electrocuted in a rabbit trap, was subsequently preserved in the freezer of his home. Li's photographs quickly circulated on social media platforms, sparking widespread intrigue and speculation both within China and internationally. As public curiosity soared, local authorities were prompted to investigate the unusual case. Upon examination, investigators determined that the purported alien was, in fact, a meticulously crafted rubber model designed to resemble a stereotypical extraterrestrial being. Despite the conclusive findings debunking Li's claim, the incident remains a notable anecdote in the realm of reported alien encounters. It underscores the enduring fascination and global interest in the possibility of extraterrestrial life, even amidst instances where alleged evidence is revealed to be fabricated or misinterpreted. The episode serves as a reminder of the complexities involved in verifying extraordinary claims and the impact of digital communication in disseminating and scrutinizing such stories worldwide. While the electrocuted alien incident was ultimately debunked, it continues to contribute to discussions about the intersection of belief, skepticism, and the search for potential life beyond Earth. Number 11. Flying Dragon. If you've never seen a flying lizard, a trip to the Philippines is essential. The 8 to 12-inch long flying dragon, a member of the Draco genus, is a breathtaking sight. Unlike fabled dragons, these intriguing creatures do not breathe fire. However, these are not your typical pet lizards. The Draco genus includes 41 species of flying dragons that live on mango tree trunks, cocoa plantations, and undisturbed forest branches. They eat insects and may glide up to 100 feet to avoid predators or search for meals. Because of their distinctive look, encountering these odd creatures for the first time might be shocking. Another noteworthy destination in the Philippines is Camiguin's Sunken Cemetery. This location, which is now 20 feet underwater, was previously a 12-acre graveyard on land. However, in 1879, Mount Vulcan erupted, causing the cemetery to fall into the sea. Today, a big white cross, constructed in 1982, commemorates this historical monument. Visitors can take boat trips to snap breathtaking images of the famed cemetery. For those daring enough, diving into the sea reveals the remains of this subterranean graveyard, providing a unique view into history. Number 10. Oty the Iceman. A shocking real-life discovery occurred in 1991 when two German hikers stumbled upon the well-preserved body of a man frozen in ice in the Ötztal Alps on the border between Austria and Italy. Initially believed to be a modern mountaineer who had met with a fatal accident, it soon became clear that the body was much older. Subsequent analysis revealed that the man, dubbed Oty the Iceman, lived around 5,300 years ago during the Copper Age. Oty's discovery was groundbreaking for several reasons. The body was remarkably well preserved, with intact skin, organs, and even clothing and equipment. This provided an unprecedented glimpse into the life and times of a prehistoric man. Oty was found with various tools and items, including a copper axe, a longbow, a quiver of arrows, a flint knife, and complex clothing made from animal skins and woven grass. These artifacts provided valuable insights into the technology and daily life of his era. Detailed examinations of Oty's body revealed much about his health, diet, and lifestyle. He had several tattoos, likely for therapeutic purposes, and suffered from various ailments, including arthritis and dental issues. Analysis of his stomach contents showed he had eaten a meal of ibex meat, grains, and other plants shortly before his death. Initial theories suggested Oty had died from exposure or a fall, but later investigations revealed he had been murdered. A CAT scan showed an arrowhead lodged in his shoulder, and there were signs of a violent struggle, indicating he may have been ambushed or involved in a conflict. Oty's discovery has had a profound impact on our understanding of prehistoric Europe. It challenged previous assumptions and provided concrete evidence about the Copper Age, a period that was previously not well understood. The discovery of Oty the Iceman remains one of the most significant archaeological finds of the 20th century, providing an extraordinary window into the past and transforming our understanding of early human history. Number 9. Sigin. Centuries ago, stories about a creature from Philippine folklore known as the Sigin captured the imagination. According to local legend, a Sigin was captured in Cebu, adding to the mystery surrounding this four-legged creature. The Sigin is said to emerge at night and eat by sucking blood from its victims' shadows. Its unusual actions include the capacity to walk backward and make itself invisible, especially to humans. The Sigin, which resembles a hornless goat with disproportionately huge ears that clap like hands, is also noted to produce a foul odor. In some areas, households known as the Sigbinan are supposed to trap these creatures in clay jars. Legend has it that these families have the ability to control and manipulate the Sigbin's behavior. Furthermore, Filipino demonic spirits known as aswang are said to keep Sigbins as spooky pets, adding to the creature's mysterious reputation. The story of the Sigbin is extremely popular throughout the Visayas Islands and Mindanao, particularly in rural areas where folklore is strongly embedded in local traditions and beliefs. These stories, handed down through generations, add to the rich tapestry of Philippine folklore by combining supernatural elements with traditional customs and beliefs. Despite its strange features, the Sigbin remains a compelling figure in Philippine mythology, demonstrating the enduring fascination with animals that cross the line between fiction and reality in the minds of those who hear their story. Number 8. Strange sea creature. Beachgoers on Panglao Beach in the Philippines discovered a peculiar water monster that has mystified specialists and onlookers alike. This intriguing marine mammal, seen on film and widely shared online, demonstrated an uncommon and potentially dangerous behavior. When stressed, it released a vividly colored poisonous chemical. The video shows the organism creating a pinkish liquid that causes the surrounding water to appear dense and foggy, adding to its enigmatic nature. Despite the broad distribution of the video, no one has been able to positively identify this unusual sea creature. Marine biologists and hobbyists have theorized on its origins and classification, but the creature's distinct features have made identification challenging. Some speculate that it could be a previously unknown species or a rare, little-known marine animal that has emerged due to habitat changes. The discovery has attracted widespread attention and controversy in the scientific community and the general population. It raises crucial questions concerning marine biodiversity and the presence of undiscovered species in our oceans. This occurrence also emphasizes the importance of marine conservation and the need for continued research to better understand and protect the various life forms that inhabit our planet's oceans. Number 7. New species of weevil. A remarkable finding in the field of entomology came from the Philippines, where a new species of weevil was uncovered. Despite the fact that the forest was being cleared, these hardy insects were discovered to be prospering. The finding came from a rigorous investigation of beetle samples gathered in 2015 and 2016 from the bushes of Negros Islands National Park. The newly described species, Metapus austan, is named after the Augustana campus in recognition of the institution's contributions to this research. The finding of Metapus austan is remarkable not just because of its ability to withstand deforestation, but also because it was discovered alongside an older species of weevil that was previously thought extinct. This coexistence adds a fascinating dimension to the study of these beetles, revealing details about their resilience and adaptation. Both new and old specimens are now housed in the Augustana Tropical Insect Study Studio, where they are used for teaching and study. This discovery emphasizes the necessity of conservation and ongoing research in biodiversity-rich areas such as the Philippines. Number 6. Alien worm. A crew of dock workers at the port in Kiel, Germany, made an unexpected discovery, a bizarre, worm-like organism that resembled something out of a science fiction film. The odd discovery rapidly drew attention, causing the workers to capture the alien living form and transport it to the IFM Geomar Institute, a well-known scientific facility that investigates marine life in all ocean basins worldwide. The monster, which was videotaped and released online, has caused a flurry of speculation and discussion. The film depicts a weird white worm, its origins and nature unknown. Some observers speculated that it was a floating set of intestines, probably from a newly butchered pig, while others believed it was a completely new and unknown species. The worm's odd look and unknown identity have sparked a variety of speculations, from the probable to the outlandish. Marine biologists at the IFM Geomar Institute are analyzing the specimen, but no final findings have yet been made. Now a brief pause while we bring you our subscribers' pick. What they just discovered in the Philippines has shocked the whole world. In recent years, a significant archaeological discovery unfolded in the Philippines, capturing global attention. Researchers unearthed fossils within Calao Cave on Luzon, the largest island in the Philippines. These remains belong to a previously unknown human species named Homo Luzonensis, which thrived between 50,000 and 67,000 years ago. The fossils comprised 7 teeth and 6 small bones that displayed a blend of characteristics from both modern humans and their ancient ancestors. Initially discovered in 2007 and initially identified as Homo sapiens, further excavations in 2011 and 2015 revealed additional bones, leading scientists to determine that they belong to a distinct species of human. The designation Homo Luzonensis, named after the Philippine island of Luzon, where it was found, represents a crucial piece in the puzzle of human evolution and migration across Southeast Asia. This discovery illuminates the intricate pathways of our ancestors and challenges previous notions about the diversity of the ancient human species. Homo Luzonensis provides insights into how early humans adapted and diversified in response to their environments, contributing to the rich tapestry of human evolutionary history in Southeast Asia. How many more species of humans might still be undiscovered? Let us know your opinions on this discovery below. Number 5. Monster in the Mountain. A terrifying story recently grabbed the world, with reports of a hiker being killed by a monster in the Ray Alima Highlands. In a cruel twist of destiny, the tourist managed to take a photograph of himself with the beast only moments before the awful tragedy occurred. Contrary to popular perception, the monster was actually a plaster goblin from a tourist cave at the historic Cheddar Caves and Gorge in Somerset, England. Bob Smart, the cave's marketing manager, expressed his dissatisfaction with the situation, saying, "It's irritating when people photograph the goblins and pretend they are from somewhere else." This episode, which began as a hoax, duped millions and gradually spread, even reaching the Emirates and the Arabian deserts. Despite being discredited, the legend of the mountain monster continued to pique people's interest, prompting countless inquiries about the alleged creature haunting the UAE and whether it was related to the Crystal Quest Goblin. Number 4. Underwater alien colony. Imagine learning that a small city of extraterrestrial invaders preparing for war on Earth has been discovered near your home. This unnerving idea is similar to a recent finding off the shore of Denmark's island, where a weird colony of living things was discovered underwater. Initial conjecture ran wild, with some claiming that these underwater rings were built by extraterrestrial creatures. However, biologists at the University of Southern Denmark and the University of Copenhagen quickly refuted these spectacular assertions. Their examination revealed that the mysterious underwater rings had nothing to do with extraterrestrials. Instead, researchers found a more earthly explanation. The rings were caused by natural processes involving eelgrass, a type of seagrass. According to the experts, the circular patterns were generated as a result of eelgrass radiating growth and subsequent death when exposed to toxins. These poisons, which accumulate in the marine environment, cause the seagrass to die in a precise manner, resulting in the mysterious rings that prompted so much curiosity. Number 3. Mysterious creature. Horror films frequently blur the border between fiction and reality, reinforcing beliefs in strange and dangerous creatures. One such creature is the grotesque character from the low-budget horror film Pumpkinhead. Stan Winston, one of the most acclaimed special effects artists, created this demonic monster for his directorial debut. Despite being a creation of Hollywood's imagination, the humanoid demon made such an impression on some viewers that they began to believe in its real-life reality, haunted by its image in their nightmares. Pumpkinhead is an excellent example of how compelling visual storytelling can imprint fictitious horrors on our minds. The creature's design, with its ugly looks and frightening presence, appealed to deep-seated phobias, making the image appear natural. The film's impact demonstrates Winston's expertise in creating spectacular effects that not only entertain, but also elicit a sense of horror and amazement. This phenomenon poses a fascinating issue regarding the power of fiction. How frequently do we blur the lines between reality and fantasy, allowing mythical creatures to enter our minds? From the Loch Ness Monster to Bigfoot, several legendary creatures have ignited arguments and caught people's imaginations around the world. Number 2. Harvestman horror. A man made an unexpected and slightly unsettling discovery when he picked up what appeared to be a single black furball nestling in a corner of a wall. Upon touch, this seemingly benign clump dispersed in all directions, with small organisms fleeing from his grip. To his surprise, what he had seen was not a furball at all, but a group of insects resembling spiders. These creatures were harvestmen, sometimes known as daddy longlegs, and were frequently mistaken for spiders, despite their major distinctions. Harvestmen, unlike spiders, are more closely related to scorpions and pose no threat to humans. They typically prey on spiders and other insects, playing an important function in the environment. Scientists believe that harvestmen group together as a protection tactic, seeming larger to deter predators and maybe benefiting from communal warmth. The incident, captured on camera and published on the social media platform Instagram, quickly went viral, eliciting a wide range of opinions. Some viewers were caught aback by the unexpected sight, while others were alarmed by the prospect of multiple insects acting in tandem. This meeting serves as a reminder of nature's intricate and occasionally scary qualities, which may both surprise and captivate us. It emphasizes the diversity of life forms around us, as well as the remarkable behaviors they exhibit in order to survive and adapt. As comments and reactions erupted online, the occurrence underscored the fascination and concern that such natural phenomena may elicit in individuals all around the world. Number 1. Black mysterious figure. Imagine having a leisurely stroll down a quiet forest when suddenly a black figure crawls across the path but hides behind a tree. The sight is both strange and terrifying, a dark, vague shape that defies explanation. This eerie meeting, captured by a brave person, has left everyone perplexed. The footage depicts a mysterious, creeping thing whose origins, destination, and nature are entirely unknown. The recording aroused extensive conjecture and debate. Some observers speculate that it could be an animal or a person, while others feel it is something supernatural. Despite various suggestions, no one has been able to definitively identify the strange figure or explain its appearance that night. The vagueness of the figure contributes to the eerie atmosphere. It's the type of mystery that inspires urban legends and keeps people on edge long after the incident. Was it a stray animal distorted by lousy lighting and camera quality? Or something more sinister hiding in the shadows? The uncertainty fuels our natural anxieties of the unknown and unseen, making the footage even more frightening. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.